What up, what up? So, you saw that awesome new radio box I got. And turn on the head unit, voltmeters, some LEDs in the back. Pretty cool, but handheld radio, so you know what that means. That means I have this huge gaping hole in my dash. The only thing to do is fill it up. I've had a couple ideas of what to do, but my first idea is to take plexiglass, kind of like I did the back of my radio box, and frosted it and fit it in here and put an LED behind it so it glows up, and maybe a sticker or something on top. We're gonna try that first, and if it doesn't work, then we'll figure something else out, you know what I'm saying? 7 1/8 by 3 5/8. So let's go rip a piece of plexiglass. In the past, cutting plexiglass, I have had luck putting tape on it, and so little pieces don't fly off. So we're gonna do that, and I'm also gonna wear eye protection. Man, that is like almost perfect. Just gotta figure out how to mount it. Let's see, how can I mount this? I almost think I should have made it bigger. Let's make it slightly bigger. I'll be right back. All right, so I got my bigger piece of plexiglass. And what I'm gonna do is I was gonna make it fit inside. But now what I'm gonna do is make it to fit this whole thing right there. Because it'll be behind, whenever I put this in, it'll be behind that whole piece. I have a piece up here. I'm gonna drill through that. Wow! I'm gonna drill through that, and I'm actually gonna screw it down to it right there. Screw it down. I gotta sand this. I'll do that real quick and drill some holes, and then we'll see how it looks. And I have my LED that's going behind it. I got some better LEDs than my radio box. I might replace my radio box with these. So, I wanted to show you why we sanded it. Behind that part is just kind of like a light. Over here, see how it opens up? Oh yeah, flashlight, oh yeah. Okay, so now I got it drilled out. I drilled these holes out a little bit bigger. I didn't show that, but it's fine. But I wanted, so my screw will go through here and then tighten down on it. Got my light. This is my little light strip. Now what I'm gonna do, since I don't have a CD player up here, I should have a ground and a remote turn on wire. So that is what I'm going to use. I just have to find it. Ground wire. Where is that little bitty red wire? That should be it. I'm gonna test it first. Yes, I use wire nuts because 1, I'm lazy, and 2, they actually work really well, and 3, nothing really in this car is ever permanent. I'm sure you know that by now. Okay. Do I even have my keys? Yes, I do. Look at that. So let's see if it comes on. Boom. Like a glove. I'm just gonna stick this in here for a minute. So now Plexi is in. It's pretty bright. It's a lot brighter on the camera. So what I'm gonna do is adjust this light. Yeah. If I stick it in the back, it'll be kind of dull. Just a green glow. I can do with that. I'm gonna put my screws in. this sticker on. Man, I was thinking if I could do that. Put this on there, take it off, spray paint it black, then peel my sticker off, and then it would just be like shining the DB logo. Should we try it? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Y'all be very quiet while I try to get this sticker on straight. Yeah. That looks alright. First, I guess I'm already here. So let's see what it looks like. What do you think? You know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna spray paint it. Alright, I'm back. Check it out. I like it a lot. Oh well, I think it'll stay. Pretty dope. Well, I wanted to show y'all what it looked like in the daytime. So, without further ado, let's check it. That's what we have. That's what it looks like in the daytime. It's more like a Hulk green. I don't know, it's just kind of showing through like a very light green on the camera. But, there we go. It looks pretty good. Oh well, fairly simple. It was not too bad to make. So you can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it. But thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Check out some more stuff on the channel if you're just visiting. I got some stuff coming up just because a few people have asked me, but I got some stickers and even some shirts coming out soon. And I need to make a post on here, just a list of shows that I'll probably be at. So if you're going to any of these shows, just holler at me. Y'all have a good one.